Okay, we're going to finish this up. Now we're switching back. Okay, you will finish 7, which is just doing salaries expense and retirement, just kind of wrapping up payroll expenses, and you know how to do all of these, and you have good examples in the book, so I bet you can do this by yourself. Now we're going to revisit a note payable, and this time instead of inventory we've bought equipment, and they give you information. It's $16,000. It's a 9% note, and it will be due in 1 year. And this is following the same regime as what we followed in the first one, only instead of a 6-month accrued, you have a 9-month, or 10-month, I'm sorry, a 10-month accrued here. So in 10 months they accrue the interest because that's the end of their fiscal period, and it's going to be an interest expense and an interest payable. 2 months later they're going to pay the note, and that's going to be identical to the one that you've done at the beginning, only this time their interest expense is only going to be for 2 months here. And when everything is done and said and you've paid it off, they will paid $17,440. So what you want to do is go back and look at that very first assignment we did and mimic and reason through how we made those entries. In 9, we're going to revisit the warranty expense. They had sales of $115,000, and 5% of that is going to go into the warranty payable and the warranty expense. We've done this before also. They give you, they say they have paid out $4,000 in cash for the estimated warranty payable. And again, that's just going to be an entry here that shows they paid the cash out, and that's going to subtract from the allowance account. So you've done this one before. This one is a 10, and you're going to go all the way through a payroll. Here's the entry for benefits, and here's the entry for payroll taxes. This is going to be the employer side of it. Again, the numbers are given to you in the problem, and we've given you the account names to go with. You're not going to do 11 or 12, and this is going to take you to 13, and I believe the very last one. And 13 is going to be reporting liabilities on a balance sheet. They give you a group of accounts, and they ask you to arrange them as to current liabilities and long-term liabilities. I've given you the numbers and the totals here, and if you read the book very carefully and you look at what's written in the assignment, this should just be a very easy plug and chug for you. And that wraps up lesson 11. So thank you. See you in the next one.